Alright, here's my Lasko Windstorm Pedestal Fan, the one I got from an auction. And you guessed it, I have put the 18-inch Lasko Cyclone blades from the 18-inch larger pedestal fan right there. I wonder if that blade is going to perform much worse on this blade. Well, yeah, so in case you were wondering what it sounded like before, the original blade, which was just a generic windmill looking blade, it's kind of cool looking though, had an awful buzzing sound, and it didn't blow a whole lot of air. I don't know, honestly. The buzzing doesn't stop until you get to speed 3. But I've tested this blade before and it performs much better. But man, this thing is really powerful. I'll show you guys how strong it is when I turn it on. So first up, the interior. It actually looks much better with this blade on it. There's the base, and here's the back. I've been wanting one of these remote control Laskos for a while, so here it is. So let's start off with speed 1. It goes down like always. As you can tell, it's performing a lot better with this blade. There's no buzzing or anything. That's impressive, and it's already blowing in a lot of air too. You can see here it's spinning the Better Homes and Gardens fan. And that's just slow speed, it's quiet too. Alright, medium. Or speed 2, whatever. Wow. This thing's so powerful, it's about to blow my camera open. Speed 3. And 4. Wow. That thing's powerful. It's extremely noisy too. Here's the oscillation. Wow, that is ridiculously powerful. So I would recommend this blade, honestly. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.